this assessment, we're reminded that transdiols can't be cleaved with periodic acid because the two hydroxyl groups are not on the same side, and we can't make that cyclic periodate ester. And yet, when we have an acyclic compound, where the hydroxyl groups are on opposite sides, as they were in the case of the ring, the reaction happens just fine. Why is that? Well, that has to do with the fact that we have a single bond here where there is free rotation. Note that we can't rotate freely around the single bond in a cyclic compound because it would require the ring to fall apart. If we do the rotation around this bond, what we see is we can redraw this molecule in a different conformation where now the two hydroxyl groups are in fact on the same side. This is going to allow the periodate ester to form, and once that forms, it can degrade or decompose to give us the two carbonyl compounds. So the answer to the question is there's free rotation in acyclic systems that can accommodate the conformation necessary to form that periodate ester.